Labas, rope and racing in front is second by Valiente for the outside. One bar is Bold Water. And down in third is Empire Maker. Around the outside now is Be Smart. Then followed by Green Money, Shame on You. And going along for the first turn is Valiente. Leads by some 3 lengths. Followed by Bold Water in second. 4 lengths for the back now in third. Empire Maker. Be Smart is racing fourth, running by the wheel, Peep Green Money. Around the outside now, Nico's in charge, then followed by Shame on You. Look of Love, and Tanging Ikaw, while Ambot sa Imo is running in a tail of the field. Down the backstretch they travel. A solo leader, that's Valiente, leads by some 5 lengths. Bold Water remains in second. Empire Maker is in third. And Shame on You now down in fourth. Moving up, Look of Love now from the outside. Be Smart, Tanging Ikaw. Nico's in charge, Green Money. And towards the final corner, it is still Valiente. Leads by some 6 lengths now. Empire Maker moving up, Look of Love now the outside of Bold Water. And down the stretch they go. It is still Valiente. Leads by some 3 lengths. And moving up now the outside is Shame on You along Shetta. And finally, Shame on You. Close, Valiente, Look of Love, Tanging Ikaw, Bold Water.
Parang nakuha rin ng 4 segundo dahil wala tayong potong narinig, no? So, it's going to be 8, 4, 7, 3, and 1. 12 and a half, ang tuli naman pala. 12 medyo, 24 medyo, 26 at 30 medyo. 133.6 ang naging total time ni Shame on You. Pagmamayari yan ni Sir Arnold Edrosa at tinitrain naman ni Ernie Ladiana. Okay. That's A.F. Novera Jr. Nagpanalo rin isang araw to si Budoy, si Dashing. $54 kilograms ang kanyang dapat na gawin dito. Okay.
The Isocam Shop is brought to you by the 2008 Magic Millions National Sale at the Gold Coast.
Tinututukan natin dito yung Look of Love. Ano? Kaya nga, huling umalis itong si Look of Love. Nahirapan na maghabol ito. Kaya nag-shift na tayo dito kay Valiente. So, pag-ikot parang 6 lengths ahead na eh, no? Kala natin, okay na, pero
even the track announcer, talagang masarap na yung tawag niya. Ika nga, mahaba na yung tawag niya kay Valiente.
Pero biglang dumating yung Shame on You.